Transforming your living room doesn't have to cost a fortune. With a little creativity, you can make your walls stand out while staying within budget. From DIY projects to clever repurposing, there are plenty of affordable ways to refresh your living space. Explore ideas that add personality and charm without breaking the bank. DIY fabric wall art with vibrant patterns. DIY fabric wall art is an excellent way to incorporate cheap decorating ideas for living room walls while adding personality to your space. Start by sourcing vibrant fabrics, either from your local craft store or repurposed textiles from around your home. Look for patterns that reflect your style, such as bold florals, geometric designs, or intricate ethnic prints. Stretch the fabric over a wooden frame or canvas board for a professional look. Not only does this project cost less than buying pre-made art, but it also gives you creative freedom. Consider grouping multiple smaller frames for a dynamic gallery effect, or use one oversized piece to create a focal point. Pairing these designs with neutral furniture can make the patterns pop while keeping the room cohesive. By embracing this approach, you'll craft a unique centerpiece that transforms your walls without requiring a significant financial investment. Gallery wall with thrift store finds. A gallery wall built from thrift store finds is one of the most effective, cheap decorating ideas for living room walls. Begin by visiting local thrift stores or flea markets to gather a variety of frames and artwork. You might find vintage posters, abstract pieces, or even blank frames you can fill with your own designs. Arrange the pieces on your floor first to experiment with layouts. Mixing and matching frame sizes and styles creates depth and interest. Use cohesive elements like a similar color palette or theme to tie the display together. Hanging your gallery wall at eye level ensures it becomes the room's focal point. This project allows you to curate a personal collection that tells a story while making a striking visual impact, all for a fraction of the cost of new artwork. Painted geometric shapes on blank walls. Painted geometric shapes are a fun and inexpensive way to reimagine your living room walls. Start by selecting a color palette that complements your decor. Soft pastels or bold contrasting colors can make a dramatic impact. Sketch out your design using painter's tape to ensure clean edges. Choose Choose shapes like triangles, hexagons, or circles to add modern flair. Painting smaller shapes near furniture pieces can create harmony, while larger ones can act as standalone art. This DIY project offers endless customization opportunities, allowing you to adjust the complexity based on your preference. Incorporating this technique ensures your space feels fresh and stylish without requiring costly materials, aligning perfectly with the goal of affordable wall transformation. Hanging planters with cascading greenery. Hanging planters are a beautiful way to infuse life into your living room while embracing cheap decorating ideas for living room walls. Opt for lightweight pots and use durable hooks to suspend them at varying heights. Cascading greenery like ivy or pothos is ideal for creating a lush, cascading effect. Group planters together for a dramatic impact, or place them strategically to frame furniture pieces. Adding a splash of color by painting the pots or using macrame holders enhances their aesthetic appeal. If you're worried about maintenance, artificial plants can offer a similar look with minimal upkeep. This approach combines the beauty of nature with budget-friendly creativity, making your living room a welcoming haven. Washi tape accents for a colorful touch. Using washi tape is one of the simplest cheap decorating ideas for living room walls that delivers a big visual impact. Available in endless colors and patterns, washi tape allows you to create intricate designs without committing to permanent changes. You can craft patterns such as stripes, grids, or even abstract art directly onto the wall. The tape is easy to remove or adjust, making it perfect for renters or anyone who enjoys frequently refreshing their decor. For a cohesive look, use washi tape in shades that complement your existing color scheme. This project offers maximum creativity for minimal expense, letting you experiment with patterns and designs without fear of mistakes or high costs. Hanging planters with cascading greenery. Hanging planters are a beautiful way to infuse life into your living room while embracing cheap decorating ideas